That's my deduction, that there is a new narrative that is now coming to the fore in Australia. And it's that these green issues, so-called green issues, because really, it's not really that they're green issues. These are just global issues. These issues are coming to the forefront of people's minds, okay? If I was searching for potential opportunities to take advantage of that new move towards environmental consciousness, it would be things like we could do eco-friendly, and we could just go through our very, very old, but very, very tried and tested strategies for coming up with ideas, which is eco-friendly A, eco-friendly acne. How interesting. So that is somebody with an acne problem that wants to put something eco-friendly on their skin. So not chemically harsh. Insane, insane. That's very, very interesting. I'm actually going to write that down. Eco-friendly balloons. How fascinating that somebody would want an eco-friendly balloon. Eco-friendly baby gifts. Look at all these niches. Very, very interesting. So that's one I do. What's another one I do? So that was eco-friendly. What else would I do? Greener, cleaner energy, solar, things like that. Recyclable air filters for cars. Interesting. Cups, art supplies. All of these niches, insane. Things I would never, ever have thought about. Everybody wants to find the next big thing, yeah? People go, I want to find the next big thing. What they don't realize from that statement is, to find it, you have to find the thing that currently doesn't have any search and ride it up to become the next big thing. So saying there's no search volume is kind of the way it should be. That's exactly, if you're looking for the next big thing, what you should be looking for. That is part and parcel of your criteria. It hasn't taken off yet, but the trends are going up. You've got to kind of take a risk. That's what business is. Business is risk. You risk not choosing the right thing, or you risk finding the right thing and riding that puppy to the top. So the very premise is to find something that right now does not have a lot of search, does not have a lot of competition, with the knowledge that you're betting on that increasing. Okay, that's how the next big thing happens. That's why this monkeypox things, I've got no idea if it's going to go. If it does go, you will all have wished you would have got into the monkeypox niche. It's that sort of thing, yeah?